Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to explain about the next control flow statement, which is loop control or iterative control statements. Let's start with the video. Python offers two forms of loop control statements. One is while loop and the other one is for loop. In this video we'll be focusing on while loop, and in the next video we'll be focusing on for loop. Let us first see what a loop is. Let's say, for example, if we have a sequence of instructions and we need the same sequence of instructions to be executed multiple number of times, then such repeated execution of the same set of instructions is called an iteration or simply loop. While is one form of the loop control statement that is offered in Python. Let us see the structure of while loop. Here the keyword is while, followed by the keyword while. We need to specify the number of times it should execute the same piece of code. So here we can specify the iterations in two ways. One is specifying an iterating variable or a looping variable, and the other is by specifying a condition. If the condition is true, it executes the code, and whenever at the situation when it executes the condition and evaluates it to be false, then it breaks the loop. Let's say, for example, we need to iterate, so we need a variable, let us say I, and I'm initializing the value with 1, and here in while loop we are going to specify the same variable I, and let's specify a condition like, let's say I is less than 5, and followed by that specify a colon here. And in the next line, as you can see, a tab space is maintained, that what we call an indentation, to indicate that the code between these tab space indicates the code belongs to while loop. Let's say we are going to print something like hello, and to make the condition to be false we need to increment the value of I, or else for every time when it enters the loop it checks the value of I, that is 1 is less than 5. So it always returns true since I value is never incremented in the loop, so it reaches an infinite loop. So to prevent that, we are going to increment the value of I for every iteration. Let's say we are going to increment the value of I using the assignment operator, that is a shorthand notation which resembles I equal to I plus 1. And if we try to execute the code, here I is initialized with the value of 1, and first it checks the condition, that is 1 is less than 5, which is true, so it enters the loop and prints hello once, and then it increments the value of I by 1, and again it gets back to the loop and checks the condition again. In that case the value of I will be 2, so 2 is less than 5, which is again true, so it enters into the loop again, prints hello again, increments the value of I again. In this manner, until this condition gets evaluated to be true, the iteration will continue. Let's execute it and watch the result. Here you can see that hello is printed for 4 times. Since I started with a value of 1 and it reaches till 4, as we have incremented the value of I inside the loop. So after 4 it is incremented a value of 5, and when it checks the condition 5 is less than 5, so it fails, so it comes out of the loop. This is how a while loop is written in Python. That's all about while loop, guys. Before going to for loop in the next video, we are going to watch about the predefined function range and two keywords, that is continue and break, which are frequently used in loops. So in the next video I will explain those 3 concepts. After that I will explain the for loop. Thanks for watching the video. Get subscribed. Please do like the video and share it, and I will continue in the next video.